Charles, founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community, and I am back with another inspirational video and some live Forex analysis, training, and trading. All right, let's get into it. All right, and so guys, as I stated before, I'm going to do my best to um, here to pro- make this an inspirational video, give you guys some updates. On my last video, I showed you guys where um, I was in a trade. Let's see, yesterday, April 22nd, I woke up with these two trades, bringing me in a profit, a $500+ profit. And then the last video from April 22nd, which is episode 2. So it showed you guys where I was actually in this trade. Okay, just before 1 o'clock today, this morning, April 23rd, Eastern Standard Time, this exhaustion square popped up on me. So I went ahead and took profit because this was my profit target area from this exhaustion square. And mind you, I was trading the market maker method. Okay, um, so and I had other reasons as to why I wanted to hold on to that trade, because it was actually in a higher time frame accumulation and distribution. Okay. Um, Now tomorrow I will um, I will show you guys. I will show you guys. The 23rd. Okay. Tomorrow I will show you guys my total profit, wins, and loss for the week. So I'll be looking for that to come out either tomorrow or um, Saturday. Okay. Because I don't want you guys just to think like I win all of my trades, because that's not the truth. Um, so basically, we're gonna trade the market makers method. All right, I'm here to show you guys. I'm gonna scout the market makers method. I've been following GBP USD um, a lot this week. Um, Overall, um, I am expecting the market to continue up. So waiting for it to align itself with my workflow for our trading strategy. Okay, so looking pretty promising for us. So as long as uh, this candle this candle that's working right now, as long as that continues to in the direction that it's going at 5 a.m., I'll feel really comfortable with getting in this trade based on our 4-hour workflow trading method. Okay, um, it's also working off of our main strategy that we work at the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community. So um, everything is kind of just aligning itself really well for the GBP USD, and so that's why I've been following it. Okay, and so essentially taking this trade, it's going to be counter. It will be counter trend, and so um, we will get in and see how far we can take it down before it reverses back up. You guys know on Tuesday, you guys saw me actually take this trade here. Okay, and I got out somewhere over here that gave me the 500 plus dollar profit. But this trade was actually the midweek reversal for the market makers method. Okay, that I took back here. All right, and so as you guys can see, it is Monday, Tuesday, and it turned on Wednesday. So essentially, we got that first leg there. Okay, and then it came up to work on the apex. Then we got that second leg, and so the second leg is moving up nicely. Okay, and again, it's aligning itself with the our workflow, our 4 hour workflow trading method. Okay, so yeah, that's just kind of where we are right now. Let's take a look at some of the other pairs to see where they are, and we'll come back to take a look at GU. Let's take a look at Swiss, and let me close this out. It's really not important for us right now. GBP Swiss, okay. Um, Same thing as GU, and basically what we're seeing here is they're doing an early play off of the high for the Asian session because they're going to come down and turn sometime today to continue in this continuation for the midweek reversal. And actually, here is an exhaustion square. So this is GBP Swiss is almost exhausted. So this looks like it was probably just a pullback on the lower time frames to continue in the pullback on the higher time frames. Okay. So again, we're just taking a look here. Let's take a look at Euro odd. Yep, same thing. It's kind of getting this early setup. Um, I don't too much like the early setups, but hey, try to get in and get what you get what you can get, or either wait wait for that setup to give you that um, quote unquote trend continuation on the higher time frames. All right, Euro NZD, same thing. We'll go back to GBPI. GBPI, same thing. Um, Euro NZD, GBP CAD, gold. Kind of missed out on that one. GBP NZD. Okay. And those are really my watch pairs, the pound pairs, Euro NZD, Euro odd, and gold. Um, right now, GU has the best setup for me to get in on a trade. Okay. Um, GBP Swiss. GBP Swiss is working on it. So still right now, GU. Still GU. GJ. GJ is working on a nice setup. GBP odd. No. So GJ, GU. GBP CAD may be a candidate. Okay. You guys who are a part of the community, you guys know what I'm looking for. I'm going to stick with GU. GU gives us a lower spread, all right? So I can be in the trade a lot sooner. So I'm going to sit and wait for GU to give me my to complete my entry rules to get into this trade. Alright, so again, live trading before you guys. Always proper account risk management for me is half of 1%. Right now my account is at $2,270.68. Alright, to find 1%, just move your decimal over twice. That's 10, that's 1%. 1% is $22.70. Okay, and so half of 1% will be $11.35. All right, so that's basically, that looks like this, 1.13. Okay, all right, and so we're gonna sell this once our entry rules have been met. Okay, and so we'll just kind of sit and wait for that to take place. If it takes place, typically, again, I'm up, I'll get up. If I'm going to trade or scout, rather, the market makers method, I'll get up at 3, and anywhere between 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. I'm waiting for the setup. Okay, when 5 a.m. hits, then I switch over to my 4-hour workflow trading template and strategy, and take a look to see if I have anything then, and go from there. So my I don't know if this is gonna be like a good trade, because my initial profit target would be here. So I don't know about this one, guys. And we got so many areas we could aim for. We could come here as a profit target. I'll make that goal. I'll leave that. I'll tell you what, we'll delete that. This is a goldish color, and you guys should be able to see that. So it's oh, can't do that. Okay. Yeah, this is not gonna be a good trade for me. We'll take a look. So more than likely what I'm going to do is I'm gonna wait. I don't think I'm gonna take this trade, because we're currently getting a long shift candle down. Okay, and just because yeah, just have a lot of time for this candle to close. Now, one thing I can do is actually drop down to the 5 minute and see. Yeah, if we were looking at the 5 minute, TDI is almost overbought, so this may be a short-lived trade. So this may not be a high. This won't be a high quality trade for me. Trying to catch it early. I told you guys I really like trading the market makers method with the obvious like here, how it came out of London and pushed up and then pushed down, past the Asian high. All right. I like how those look. Okay. And again, just because the market is open, it does not mean that we have to trade. Okay. So let's, I think we said GJ. I think GJ was inside the Asian session as well. Yeah, it's almost overbought here. So I think I'd rather wait on the quote unquote trend continuation. Again, GJ kind of it's kind of setting up to continue the higher time frame trend. Let's get that out of the way. Which is definitely, it's definitely an uptrend. Okay. So from this point, I'd rather like GU, like my pound pairs, I'd rather wait for a bullish setup than to take this bearish setup. Okay, GP Swiss. And I could be wrong about it, but for me, I'd rather err on the side of caution. Okay. Um, Not hard up to get into the trade, and very well maybe that this could be a nice little runner for us. And I see it coming down back to this area right here. Um, let's do it like this. Possibly coming back down to kind of give us that multi-session. Okay, let this be a little bit of consolidation here. Come down and retest this before it shoots off for for GU, that is. Take a look at that 1 hour. And again, this is solely market makers method. Okay, 1 hour still has a little bit of ways to go. Um, all right, sorry about that. So yeah, really just trying to show you guys how to practice patience. This is well, not necessarily show you guys how to practice it, but show you guys how I trade. Um, so what's another pair for us? Sorry. I still may jump in. I'll jump in just to give you guys something to look at. Maybe I don't know. The pressures of a growing YouTube channel, right? But no, I'm just kidding. I won't let you guys pressure me. I want you to trade right. I want you to trade correctly, and be profitable. And sometimes being profitable means sitting it out if you're not 100% um, comfortable with how things are going. Let's take a look at this 5 minute. guys let me know. Let me know in the chat. I see a couple of you are in watching. Let me know in the chat what you think. If you guys have any questions, go ahead. You can answer. You can ask them, and I'll answer them. So you can ask them. I'll answer them. Man, it is way too early. But yeah. 2 minutes anyway before I would get in. So I'm gonna take the trade. I am gonna go ahead and take the trade, and just watch. Got a minute left in the trade. While that's setting up, let me take a look here. Okay. So this would actually be my stop area. Make that red. Okay. Go ahead and enter into this trade. Okay. And let's see how we do using this to scout the market makers method. So you guys, I don't too much like using stop losses. I have my mental stop losses. Okay. And if this works out, then we will just see if we can scout. See if we can scout and make a few pips. My workflow trading system can make it easy to trade the market makers method. Okay, we've been in this trade for 2 minutes now. Okay, we're up $74. All right, we're up $90. Okay, we've only been in this trade for a few minutes. All right, and we're just gonna manage our trade. And so I am going to work about a 29 pip into stop loss. So what I'm gonna do is I'll do a trailing stop for 15 pips. Okay, 15 pips. Excuse me. Um, let's take a look at that 5 minute. 5 minutes is getting ready to turn around on us, so that could cause the 15 minutes to give us a slight pullback um, up in up into this area, okay, or could pull all the way back up here, okay. So let's see how much of this we can get. We were up to $90 the first time, but yeah, we'll see. Um, so it just pushed past the 50 EMA. Let's take a look. See if I add a 200. Make the 200 aqua color. Oh, okay, it's broken at 200. Let's take the 200 off of there. Let's see if we get a runner, guys. Okay, we're at 93 now. 101, 102. We're up 9 pips. Okay. 103, 115, 106, 103. Still pushing down for us. Okay. Okay. Let's pull him back. Yeah, let's go ahead and yeah, it really hasn't given us much to work with so far. Okay. There we go. Pushing down. Pushing down. Okay, let's jump over here. Yeah, still haven't given us much to work with. Okay, 13 pips. Okay, 134, 25. 124. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take that. Okay. Um, yeah, so let's take a look at how we did. Okay, of course, it's going down, but again, it's even on the 5 minute, we can come back and make a little more. So far for um, uh, technically that's from yesterday. Let's do today. Anyway, so today we're up $119.78 so far. Okay, and let's see. We took this trade at 3:14 Eastern Standard Time, ended the trade at 3:21 Eastern Standard Time, and walked away with $119.78. All right. And again, guys, like I say, Forex can sustain your house. And then, of course, we could have let it ride for a little bit longer. All right, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get out and take that. All right. So again, uh, less than 10 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes shy of 10 minutes. We made $119. All right. So that's not bad, and that's scalping um, with my workflow trading system. Okay, which easily helps us um, to trade the market makers method. Okay, and so that is going to be that for me. All right, I will come back later on today to see if we can catch this going back up. Okay, um, we're probably going to get some consolidation here. Uh, who knows? I don't know. But we're just, oh, there we go. It's pushing down even further for us. So it's coming down into this area. Okay, I'm glad I still have that marked up. It's coming down. Oh, okay. It's on the 5 minute, and we drew this on the 15 minute. Okay. So, could be coming down into this area here. Let's see. Let's grab that, and I'm gonna change that. Make that gold. Hopefully, you guys can see that better. Grab this. So we may get an exhaustion to turn around in this area right here. Okay. Um, to try to play and give us our 4 hour move. But there we go. So we'll take a look. Let's take a look at that on the 5 minute. And another thing we could have counted the pushes coming out was one. Uh, this will be two. It'll give us a third one. Okay. Um, so, but more than likely it's gonna turn around somewhere in this zone right here. Okay. And I'm kind of going into something deeper. But if I have any of the the Teach Me to Fish effects trading community members, you guys kind of know what's going on here. Okay. So again, there it is on the 15 minute, lining up with the 5 minute. Okay. Gonna get that pullback for the 1 hour. So I'm gonna go to the 5 minute. Okay. We again so far have made 119.78 this morning. Okay. Custom period. All right. It's not. All right. That's because I closed this trade like early this morning. Okay. So it's putting us at 387.12 so far for this morning, for today. Because I closed these trades out. Both of these trades were closed out this morning. So if MetaTrader wants to give it to us, then we'll take it. 387 so far for April 23rd, 2020. Okay. So let's go ahead and set up for our next. So we're at 2384. So 1% is 2384. 5% will be 119. Okay. This is GU. Okay. Um, and to be honest with you, just kind of looking at this, it may push down a little bit further. Yeah, it's gonna push down a little bit further. So I'm thinking either here or here. Looking forward to push there. Okay. In this area, or either come down to this area. Alright, we are definitely leaving money on the table this morning. We could get back in if it kind of gives us some more signs over here. If it gives us some structure in the current flow of price, we can get in. But if it just continues to barrel down into these different zones, then we won't worry about it. Okay. I'm not going to worry about it anyway. Someone else may want to try to jump in and get all they can, but we just want to be profitable. All right. Again, this is my main game plan right here. Okay, on this 4 hour. I'm just on a 15-minute scalping, getting what I can get. Okay. We can even do this on the 1 minute. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. Let's see, I did these on the 15, so let's do this. Shapes, triangle, square. So we're looking. Yellow. Let's do this. All right. I hope you guys appreciate this like I appreciate you. trading live. You guys are with me live. So, um, again, if you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the chat. All right. So, again, what is this? 5 minutes. Again, so far for the day, we're at so far since I've been on screen with you guys, we're at 119.78. We did that in less than 10 minutes. Okay, so uh, let's see if we get some more setups here before 5. Um, sure, none of the other ones are quite ready. Yeah, it's kind of far away. Um, Euro odd looks a little promising. Okay. Mm, oh, that's on the 5 minute. Let's take a look at that 15 minute. Yeah, no. GJ. No. Euro NGB, no. GBP CAD, no. Gold, no. GBP NZD, no. So let's go over to GU. Take a look at this 5 minutes, see if we can get an early entry. No. Take a look at this 1 minute. Hmm. Hmm. Nah, we'll be okay. We will be okay. Well, guys, I am going to go ahead and end the video right in this particular video right here. All right, you saw it live. Started the day off. Got we have a profit of $119.78. Okay, for a trade that took less than 10 minutes. So we're gonna leave it at that. Um, uh, Guys, I'm not gonna play around with the 1 minute. Um, we'll leave the 1 minute where it's at, but let's just take a look at this trade. Um, I would have gotten in here. All right, my entry rules have been met here. Let's see. Let's see if we would have profited. See how much we would have profited. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait on a higher time frame scalp, but I'm just showing you guys that I I could have gotten in right here because my entry rules are met right here. So let's just see what it does on the 1 minute, just briefly. So it'll be here. It's a 1 pip spread, so we would have been in profit. Nope. Yeah, we would have been um, about break even right here. The 1 minute does this a lot. It kind of stalls out, and then you'll see it shoot up or down. Yeah, I did right by not getting in. So we'll leave it at that. Um, it's just pulling back to that level right there. It's gonna shoot back up. So, but we'll leave it at that. So total so far for April 23rd, 2020. We're at $387.12. All right. The trade that I took for you guys again live, we're at $119.78 profit. Okay. And that took all of 7 minutes. Okay. So we just made $119 plus profit in 7 minutes. Um, it's a lot of individuals that are happy for that per day. Okay. We're in surgeon territory. Okay. Surgeon salary territory. So, and again, this is not to brag or anything like that, but this is just to prove to you guys that Forex can help sustain your house even in the midst of the pandemic that we're all facing right now. If you've been laid off, if your hours have been cut, you don't know what to do, I'd recommend trying giving Forex um, a shot. Okay, you can and will become profitable, and you can use those profits to take care of your household and eventually begin to make other investments. Okay, so that is my hope for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video now. I will be back later with a new setup. Okay, um, and yeah, so we'll go from there, guys. So as always, please remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye bye.